Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply recover Stars account without Supercell ID. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser. Now type in Contact Form Brawl Stars. So what it would do is it will simply give you a contact form for your Brawl Stars where you will be able to contact them, and that is the only way for you to help get your account. So afterwards, from over here, you're gonna go to this option of simply contact as Brawl Stars, the second option from over here. And as soon as you've done that, you will find this kind of interface where you will directly find this particular form that you were searching for, which includes messages, get in touch, type in the name of yours, type in the last name which you use to create your account in the Brawl Stars, add your email that is connected with your ID, your account, and add in the message as well. Now tap on send, and your particular message will be form will be sent to the Brawl Star itself, and they will simply check it out and get connect to you to help you out further. Now if that's not getting you through as well, you do have options of simply contacting them or sending them email at directly this email address, or contacting them by this number as well. Now go ahead, contact them, and you will be able to solve your problem out. So that's basically it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.